2018 Entegra Coach Aspire 40P for sale in Parhump, Nevada 89048. Spread your wings and fly with this 2018 Entegra Coach Aspire 40P. This Class A motorhome is 40.5 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. This RV has 4 power retractable slide-outs, 1 power retractable awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 8 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, power mirrors and captain's chairs. With only 9,479 miles, you can rest assured that this Entegra Coach Aspire will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2018 Entegra Coach Aspire 40P is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights include great cooking area with Corian Type Counter Tops, glass cooktop, large convection microwave residential refrigerator/freezer, ice maker, water dispenser, double kitchen, SinkDinetteFour televisions, ThroughoutSurround, SoundDVD, CD, StereoSofa Theater Seating1, half BathroomsGlass Enclosed ShowerWasher/dryer, IncludedMaster, king-size bed, full-size storage closet/DresserQueen size bed, window, CoverTow, BarAqua hot water heater and so much more. This 2018 Entegra Coach Aspire 40P is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Winnebago is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A motorhome. 2018 Entegra Coach Aspire 40P.